Hi all, welcome back. So last class period what we did is we did problems like 1, 2, and 3. We simplified down the expression, and we said that if variables are the same, the variables have to be the same, then you add exponents in that situation, okay? So what we're going to do today is we're going to continue with that trend, and we are going to do problems like 7, 8, and 9. So we're going to do problems like 7, 8, and 9 today. We'll come back to 4, 5, 6 later, but we're going to see what that multiplying concept. These are the same problems like 5 and 6 on your homework. So before, what we did is when the variables are the same, we add the exponents. The same is true here. We're multiplying, so if the variables are the same, we're going to add like exponents. So I get 4 plus 5 for x and 4 plus 2 for z. So I end up with x 9, z 6. And we're done. We can't combine x and z because they are different variables. So again, when you're multiplying like bases, like variables, you add the exponents. Okay? So let's go on here to number 8. Number 8 is a little bit different because now we also have numbers and variables involved. And remember, if there's no exponent on the number or variable, there's an imaginary 1 there. Okay? So what we do here is we combine our numbers, we multiply those together, then we take our variables and we add our exponents. So we multiply our numbers just like normal. So 4 times 3 is 12. And then with our like variable exponents, we add x2, x5, 2 plus 5 is 7. y9 and a y1. Again, if there's no exponent listed, there's an imaginary 1, and I get y10. And that's my answer. I can't mess with the x or the y because they're different variables, and 4 times 3 gave me my 12. Okay? So very similar to what we did before, just including multiple variables. And what I like to do is if there's no variable, or exponent, right away I like to put the exponent there. So on that y, I'm going to put a 1. So this is just like number 8. I take my numbers, my coefficients they're called, and I'm going to multiply them together. And then I'm going to combine. I have an x2 and an x2, so I'm going to do 2 plus 2. I have a y6 and a y1, so 6 plus 1. And then I have a z7 and a z10, so 7 plus 10. I simplify my exponents there and I multiply. 7 times 9 is 63. 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 7 plus 10 is 17. And we are done. Okay? So now you should be able to do numbers 1 and 2 and 5 and 6 on your homework. Okay? We will start talking about problems 4 through 6 and 10 through 14 later this week. Have a great day. If you have any questions, make sure you log on to Zoom, and look forward to seeing you guys. Bye, guys.